before you get on to antidepressants, first try supplementing with omega-3. There's a study here which I'm reading on PubMed, which says that people who supplemented in this particular study with 1,000 milligrams of EPA, which is one of the components of omega-3, which you can get through fish. If you're vegetarian or vegan, you can also get it, although may not be the same quality, through flax seeds and even hemp seeds. So you may like to try omega-3 to reduce symptoms of depression and to feel better and to maybe even manage a depressive condition. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a psychiatrist, I can't prescribe any medication to you. This is based on the study that I'm reading, and I'll provide the link to you. It'll probably be in my bio, which you can click and read this study. It is on PubMed, and for some reason the Indian providers are blocking access to PubMed, so you may need to use a VPN to access it. And I've been supplementing with omega-3, not necessarily only to manage potential depression, but for various other reasons, because it has lots and lots of benefits. So you can try that. You can discuss that if you are being prescribed antidepressants, which are also called, something like a SSRI. That's the generically known as SSRIs, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. I think omega-3 is something which is so easy to supplement with. Obviously, you have to find the right source. You have to be okay with taking fish oil or fish oil tablets, or there's something called krill oil, which also has omega-3, which you can take. Of course, there are vegan and vegetarian options. I just feel before getting onto a medication like a SSRI, which potentially you may not be able to come off, or potentially you may have a lot of difficulty coming off, there's no harm trying omega-3, because it's being very successfully used to manage depressive conditions and symptoms. And in the same study, they also saw that people who were using antidepressants along with omega-3, people who were using omega-3 supplementation with antidepressants had an even higher success rate in terms of managing their symptoms and depression, and overall they were feeling much better. So even if you're already on an SSRI or an antidepressant and you don't want to go off it, or whatever your reasons are, and you have to continue it, maybe try supplementing with omega-3 with the SSRI and see how you feel, and read this study. It's very interesting. You can just read the summary in the beginning. You don't have to read the whole article, which will give you a good idea of what this study is about. And I think this is a really exciting space, because SSRIs and antidepressants are being dished out like candy. Now, I'm not saying that they should or shouldn't be, but the point is, if there is an alternative, before you can always get onto a medication like SSRI, but if there is a chance that you may be able to avoid it by using something else, if you're not at that severe a stage, and luckily we have these options and this information is freely available. So go check this out and tell me what you think if you end up using it. Yeah, I know there are going to be questions on this. I am using the Wow brand omega-3. That's also in the links. You'll find the link to that. I just ordered it off Amazon. I've been using it for a few months. I've not had any issue with it. They seem to have done the right kind of testing, and it doesn't have heavy metals and mercury and stuff like that in it. Seems to be a good product that I'm using, but feel free to do your own research and choose any good omega-3 supplement. So good luck.